welcome. See, last class I gave some recap or what you can call is refreshing or something like that, revision of all standard expressions, so that intermediate refreshment is always better. Then today I decided I have to continue. Why not do one more master question where everything is covered except circle is not there. Circle is not a problem. Problem comes for semicircle, quadrant and then triangles. Therefore, I will solve one more master question. And remember, this is last chance for you to understand, for thorough understanding, moment of inertia, including centroid location, last chance. Now onwards further, I cannot explain this much. So therefore, question is, find moment of inertia about centroidal axis, all in millimeter. See, shape is here. See here, 150, 160. See, this is a semicircle of radius 140. This is a empty portion. See, hatched portion is there. This is quadrant of a circle, the center here. See, the center quadrant, you can make out. Then the semicircle will come up somewhere here. Then see, here this will come down by how much? Same this level. See, this level and this level is same. Then from here, see, somewhere here, 150 you go this way and 110 below this point will come. Anyway, I will tell the construction for you. First, do one thing. You copy the sketch once again. Okay, now question given. Okay, first do one thing. First, okay, this much you first copy. Then write solution. Solution. When you start solution, write the sketch once again. There, do one thing. Division. See here. See, correctly. See here. There is a triangle here. Now, oh, this is a problem. It is not right angle triangle. And also, you should write, it is not isosceles triangle. Oh, then it is better to divide into two right angle triangles. Okay. Write that way. Then, see here. We will divide like this. One semicircle will come here. This will be cut out. Then we will divide like this. See here, this way. Then you get a rectangle here. From the rectangle, quadrant of a circle cut out. See, this cutout is from rectangle. And you get one more triangle here. Sufficient. Okay, now need dimension. See here, 150, 150. From here to here is 160. From here, where the quadrant starts, is 160. From there to here is, see here, when this is 140, see, this radius also is 140. So this also 140. So this is 140. From here to here is 140. This is 160. So 160 plus 140, from here to here, rectangle dimension is 300. Then this radius 140. So 140 radius. So I forgot right here. For this one, diameter equal to 280 by 140 radius. Then even for this quadrant also, see, even for this quadrant also, remember, diameter equal to how much? Radius 140 means once again 280. There are different diameters and different shapes. Okay, then, so now this is clear. Come down. This is how much? It's already there, 140 here. See, this dimension is projected here, 140. Why? This is 140 means 140. Then, from here, this semicircle is there, diameter 280. So for the rectangle, the vertical side is how much? 280. Okay, then below come 110. When you come below 110, see, total will become 390. 110 plus 280, 390. When the total is 390, then see, for this triangle, this depth will be, see, I should write somewhere outside. It's disturbing actually here. Where to write here? There is no place to write. This I want to point. I can meet. See, okay, right here. Space problem will come later. Okay, I'll adjust it. This is how much? From 390, subtract 140. This is 250. 250. Okay, I hope space is sufficient. 250. Okay, I'll manage. IG plus AH square. I'll manage now. Then, there is one triangle here. See, for the triangle, this base is 300. This height is already there, 110. That height also already there. Okay, now all dimensions are cleared. Divide into parts. What I will do is, usually I take rectangle 1, cut out 2. No, why always sideways? We will start from here. This triangle, see, this I will take 1. See, 1. See there, 1. This I will take 2. My choice, 2. This full rectangle, I will take 3. Full rectangle, not 3, sorry. This triangle, I will take 3. This triangle. Full rectangle, I will take 4. Full rectangle, 4. And this is cut out, I will take 5. So, 5. This I will take 6. Therefore, make a note. The actual is 1, see here, 1 plus 2, this is 3, plus 3, plus 4, minus 5, dangerous, remember, minus 5, warning for you, minus 5, warning, plus 6 is the actual. Therefore, now only I will tell you should write properly when you solve. Otherwise, you are losing. Total area equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 minus A5 plus A6. X bar, whether Abelco or Eterco, you can take origin either here or origin there. Wherever you take origin, X bar equal to A1 x1 plus C, remember, A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus A3 x3 plus A4 x4 minus A5 x5 plus A6 x6. Y bar, A1 y1, A2 y2, A3 y3, A4 y4 minus A5 y5 plus A6 x6. And last step I will not tell, now only I will tell you. Final moment of inertia is I for 1 plus I for 2 plus I for 3 plus I for 4 minus I for 5 plus I for 6. These all so many times told earlier. Now if you, once I write all the 6 moment of inertia, last step I will not write. Someone will ask, sir, how to find final answer? I will tell, leave, don't come to my class. That much I explained everywhere earlier. Today again told, still you cannot practice, still you are not serious means not fit to study from me, I will tell. Sorry, harsh words I will use. So therefore, now my duty is only finding X bar and Y bar, locating centroid and writing using parallax theorem I for 1, I for 2, I for 3, I for 4, I for 5, I for 6 about XX1s, then about YY1s. Final answer is I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 minus I5 plus I6. I can't tell once again. Okay, now that much statement you have to write. Not now, when you write the respective statement when the time comes, not in the beginning only. No. Next, further. Okay, this I'll remove now. Nothing required. I'll put a line here so that I can make out up to where I can write. Should not go out of the board. 1 minute. Hope it. I'll check the camera and decide once again. Because I'll prepare all the... What happened? Okay, something fell down. Okay, no, okay, I'll rub afterwards. Okay, no, I'll finish it. Okay, now some statement I will write. Okay, so statement. I think I lost something. What went down? Oh, okay, now no problem. Okay, now first location of, see, you are asked to find I about xx and I about yy. So location of xx and yy, that is centroidal axis passing to centroidal axis, that is horizontal centroidal axis, and vertical centroidal axis intersection is centroid G. That all you write here. Now, okay, once you put the statement, write origin. See, so therefore we require x bar and y bar. Now already I told you, again and again I cannot tell x bar y bar what it means. Okay, x bar y bar. For that you require reference. We will take reference O here. See, O, this way x, this way y, or remember Abelco. Abelco. I will not tell for x bar y bar. We will go for Abelco. If somebody will ask, sir, what is Abelco means? My class is not for you. It is so crystal clear, told earlier, and I told I will not explain. That is this origin we will take. Okay. With that origin, I will prepare the table and then explain better. Okay. Now, I already told Abelco here. Part number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 dangerous. Okay, start. Area. Half into 150 into 140. I written area there. This area. Half into 150 into 250. This area. Half into 300 into 110. See there. Rectangle area. 300 by 280. This quadrant circle area. Pi by 16 of 280 square. Be careful. Again I told you 5 is dangerous. Okay. And lastly, sixth one, semicircle. Pi by 8 of 280 square. Total area A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 minus A5 plus A6 is here. X this way and Y this way. Start. See. Centroid. Locate. See. From here, see, nearest to this point. One part, 3 part. See. Here. See. 3 parts, and this way also 3 parts. No space there. I will divide into 3 parts here. See, 1, 2 here. This triangle, there I can't do it. Okay, then. Here. See. Lengthwise 3 parts. I roughly write it. 3 parts. Depthwise 3 parts is here. Center. This you know it. So, once again I will tell you. Lastly I will tell you. 1/3 of 150, 2/3 of 150. 1/3 of 140, 2/3 of 140. This is the last time I am telling. Once again, 1/3 of 150, 2/3 of 150. This way. 1/3 of 250. This way. 2/3 of 250. 1/3 of 300. 2/3 of 300. 1/3 of 150. 2/3 of 150. If G4 is not clear, better not study from me. Okay. G5. 2D by 3 pi. 2D by 3 pi. Here. This way 2D by 3 pi. But this way exactly center of 280. That much is sufficient. Start. X1. See, from here, this way is x. From extreme end here, see, 2/3 of 150, 100. X2. Again 2/3 of 100. X3 here. 150 plus total, X3 here. 150, see, 150 plus 1/3 of 300. X4. 150 plus total 300, half of 300. X5, see here, from here, this corner. 150 plus 300 will give from here up to here, minus 2D by 3 pi. It is there. X6, see up to here. 150 plus 300 plus 2d by 3 pi. Using that one, you will get x bar. Okay. Y's from here. 1 here. 250 plus 1/3 of 140. X, y2. 2 by 3 of 250. 2 by 3 of 250. Okay, rubbed out. I touched it. Okay. 2/3 of 250. X3, see here. 2/3 of 110. X4. 110 plus half of 280. X5. You can do one thing. Total 390 minus 2d by 3 pi. X6, Y6. 110 plus up to midpoint here. 280 by 2. You get, using this one, you will get y bar. With this one, x bar, y bar over, I will make a note there because I am removing this one now. X bar you got, I'll write here, 288, I will make a note here. How much I got? 288.825 x bar, and y bar we got 213.981. That is the answer. Okay, leave it now. This is over. Now right here, once you get x bar, y bar, you have to locate centroid. Since this is master question and I am doing immediately after revision, I will do one thing now. I will change the table. Instead of Abelco, I will go for Eterco. See, now do one thing. Remove it. Don't see this one now. Leave it. Right here. Let us once again solve the centroid location. This time we will take origin O here. See, anywhere you can take it. Make a new solution. Don't use that one. Where is that green color pen? I think I lost it somewhere. Oh, here. Okay. You have to make a note once again. That O is gone. See, we will take this origin O here. See, sir, already that is O. That O is gone. New alternate solution. This is then we will take x this way and y this way. That is Eterco. Eterco from there. Again we will find x bar, y bar, so that a complete grip will come. Okay, with that origin, part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be same, area will be same, but this will change. See, this all will change. I change it. No problem. Area will remain same. This will change. Okay, no problem. This will change. And you will get one more x bar, y bar. See, last time your x bar was, see, last time your x bar was this way and this y bar was this way. Make a note. But this time you will get x bar this way and y bar this way. Get the answer. Let me see how much should come now. I won't think. See, I will tell how much it has to come. Last time with this origin, we got x bar 288.825 from here. Total is 590. So if everything is correct, your x bar should come 590 minus 288.825. It has to come 301.175. And y bar should come total 390. Just now from bottom you got 213.981. So 390 minus 213.981. It has to come 176.019. If this answer comes, then 100% our calculations are correct. We can go for moment of inertia. I will fill up the table and explain. Now, with Aterco, okay, part number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same, 5 dangerous one, area remains same, x distances, see here. Now, this way x, see here, this one. Total 590 subtract 2/3 of 150. Okay. X2 also same thing, see here. Total 590, see, this is 2, see this way, from here is 1/3, this is 2/3. 2/3 of 150, x3, see here. 140 plus 2/3 of 300. Okay. X4. 140 plus 300 by 2. X4, yes, okay. X5, see this one. 140 plus 2d by 3 pi. Here, X5. X6, see, from here to here is 140 minus 2d by 3 pi. Okay, that is cleared. You will get x, this much x bar has to come. Y from top now, this way. Y1, see here. 2 by 3 of 140. Y2, 140 plus 1/3 of 250. Y3, 140 plus 250 plus 1/3 of 110. Or you can do one thing. 390 minus, see, this is 1/3, this is 2/3. 390 minus 2/3, both are okay. Fifth one, fourth one, directly 280 by 2. This one, 2d by 3 pi. Last one, exact center, 280 by 2. Now with this one, calculate x bar, y bar. I will calculate fast. 301.175. Oh, yes, see. I told this answer has to come. Y bar. 176 point, not visible in the light. 176.019. Oh, yes, see. Because I am not calculated. I got confidence. I did last time very, very carefully. I double checked it. So therefore, answer has to come. Okay, over. Now, everything I am removing. See, this is x bar with Aterco. See, this is x bar, y bar with Aterco. Aterco. And remember, I write somewhere here with Abelco. See, with Abelco, your x bar, y bar last time, x bar, y bar are, I noted down there, 288.825. 288.825 and other one is 213.981. Now the time has come to mark x and y axis. I will mark it and then start moment of inertia. Okay. This I will remove. Nothing required. Now see, first of all, what I did so far was locating centroid. Somebody will tell, sir, you solved more than 100 questions. Then why you explained everything? That is for your benefit. You don't understand what is my concern for student community or learning community. All are not students. There are so many people who are in practical field. Okay, that is value for education. It is called value for education. See, this is 250. Space problem is there. Okay. Now see there. Imagine. Now see, I will remove both of them now. I will remove all this one. You make a note. Okay, remove. See, when you considered origin here, Abelco, your x bar came 288.825, 150, oh, furthermore, 150 plus 160, oh, more, 310, for come this side, to this centroid, 150 plus half of 300, 300, oh, still this side, to this centroid, 150 plus 1/3 of 300 is 250, more. So it is after this centroid, but before this centroid. So how much it is? 300, 250. You got 301. Okay. Therefore, that is how much? 150 plus 150 is 300. How much you got? So, no, there, here. 288. No, don't see here. 288 means this is 150 plus another 150 is 300. Little before, see. This is your YY axis. I will mark the distance here. See, space I left for marking distances. This distance is last time 288.825. Or this is not required. Once you get 288.5, total 590, if you subtract, you will get distance from this extreme end. See, YY, come this side. Hey, YY, come here. Okay. You will get this distance. If you subtract, it will come 301.175. 175. Or suppose you consider a Terco, that X bar only you got here. See here, from when you got from this side 288, from there it has to come 301. Yes, we got it. Y bar 213.981. See here, 110. Furthermore, up to here is 250. Within that one, up to this centroid is how much it is? See, now this centroid point is slightly below because it is not this junction. See here, this is a 280. Oh yes, correct. Both are same. Fortunately, this centroid is same as this point. Why? Because this 280, 140. Correct. Okay. Done. Okay, now how much? 213 means from here to here is 110. Furthermore, but from here to this centroid is 2/3 of 250. Oh, I lost my calculator and it fell down. Even the battery also gone. Now I can't calculate anything. 1 minute. Oh, see, this is what happens if you rashly handle. I think I had to wait for some time. It calculator fell down. The cell, if it is not working properly, problem. Just a minute. I should be very careful about these electronic items. That portion got broken. No, I have to. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll rectify later. 2/3 of 250 is 166 point something. How much Y bar you got? 213. So it is little above. 166, 213. See, it is little above. But not up to here because up to here is, how much it is? Up to here is 250. It is how much? 213. Little earlier. Okay. I am worried about that calculator now. If it is not working now, okay, no problem. Distance, I can't calculate anything then. Okay. I think calculation is not required because I am writing only expression, xx. Now, right here, without disturbing, see here. From here. I'll round off because space problem. See, this 250 is something else. It is from here to here. This is 213.981. This distance. If that is 213.881, from the top edge down, it has to be total 390, subtract 213.981, it will come 176.019. That is the answer. Yes, we got that answer. See here, we got with Terco, we got X bar 301, Y bar, we got 176. Perfectly correct. This is centroid G for the entire lamina. Okay, correct answer 288.825, 213.981, 301.175, and 176 point. Everything is okay. Now, okay, over. Now write calculation of IXX and IYY. First write, I won't waste time. by parallel axis theorem, I should not explain all this one. I about any axis equal to, the formula is the green color. I am periodically losing the pens. Now I am worried about the calculator. Equal to Ig plus area into the most important h square. Now I will not explain the meaning of this one. It has gone beyond the limit. Okay, now this much clear. This available space, this much you write, then I will start first here. Calculation of Ixx. I will write all the expressions here, then I will explain. So that space problem, I should adjust the space problem. I can remove this x bar, y bar now. Nothing required. Nothing required. This also not required. This also not required. Okay, I will explain now. Last chance for you to understand moment of inertia now. Now, moment of inertia, real last chance for you to correctly understand. Furthermore, I will go for exercise type. See, I have decided now. Next class onwards, I will start exercises where briefly I will tell. There is a limit for everything. Start. First one, see, I about its own axis, parallel to x-axis. I won't tell all this one again. This is told thousands of times. 150 into 140 cube by 36. Plus area into, see, this distance square. Actually, I just now wrote it. By mistake, I took this as into 140. I think I took 150 and some wrong distance I written. All because of that calculator problem. That calculator is broken. It is not working now. But today, I got worried what to do. Then suddenly I realized, today it is not required. Why? Next class I will rectify it. So, into this distance square is, see, 176.019 minus this distance is 2/3 of 140 whole square. Figure number 2, component 2. I about its own axis. 150 into 250 cube by 36. If somebody asks, sir, why you are cubing 250 means, leave my class, don't attend any of my classes in future. I will tell you are not serious. Okay. 150 into 250 cube by 36 plus area into, see, from G2 to XX, this distance square is 213.981 minus this distance is 2/3 of 250 whole square. 3. I about its own centroidal axis, parallel side, 300 into 110 cube by 36 plus area into, see, this distance square, that is 213.981 minus this distance is again 2/3 of how much? 110 whole square. Fourth one, I about its own centroidal axis, 300 into 280 cube divided by 12 rectangle plus area into, see, this distance square is 176.019 minus up to midpoint is 280 by 2 whole square. Fifth one, quadrant of a circle, 0.00343 into diameter power 4 plus area pi by 16 d square into, see, this distance square, that is 176.019 minus 2d by 3 pi whole square. Fifth one, I about its own centroidal axis. Oh, this is symmetrical axis. Pi by 128 into diameter power 4 plus area into this distance square is 173.019 minus, this is exactly half of 280 whole square will give I about xx. Okay. Now, class, what to do next? No answer. Go to earlier classes, study and see what I am doing. I told 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5 plus 6. If you cannot do that much, don't do anything then. Okay, now I about yy. I'll finish this one now. Yy. I'll change here also. Otherwise somebody will tell. So not change it there. Yy. Just a camera once actually. Yy. Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here, this will change. This will change. I'll remove this one. This will fully change. Distance square will change. Ig also will change. See, Ig also will change. But area will not change. Why should I waste time writing area once again? Okay. This I think more space required. Okay, I'll remove it. Just I'll check the camera once and then start. Now only. Okay, I'll slightly shift the camera this side. Okay. Okay, done I think. No problem. I think it's okay. 1 minute. Hope that last 390 is visible. Now that 390 is not required. Okay. Okay, now clear. If it is not, see that 390, even if it is not visible, now no problem. Okay, start. First, start. Figure 1. I about, see, remove all the previous one. Everything you remove. See that G5. Okay. Remove those things. So that no confusion. See, this also I should remove. This distance square all will change now. Okay. I about its own centroidal axis. 140 into 150 cube by 36. (140) into space is not there. 150 cube by 36, adjust it, plus area into, see, from centroid G1 to YY, this distance square, that is 288.825 minus this distance is 2/3 of, this is 2/3 of 150 whole square. Okay, over. I about, first here, its own centroidal axis parallel to YY. 250 into 150 cube by 36. Space is not there. 250 into 150 cube divided by 36. Write correctly, horizontally right here. Don't write one below other one. Plus area into, see, this distance square. Oh, that is same as this distance square. Don't waste time. 2 red color. 288.825 minus 2 by 3 of 150 whole square. 3. I about its own centroidal axis. See this axis. 110 into 300 cube by 36. 110 into 300 cube divided by 36. Space problem. Plus area into, see, this distance square is 288.825 minus 150 will give you from here to here. Then again minus this distance is 1/3 of 300 minus 1/3 of 300 whole square. Okay. Fourth one. I about its own centroidal axis. 280 into 300 cube by 36, 12. 280 into 300 cube divided by 12 plus area into, see, this distance square. This distance is 301.175 minus 140 also minus from here to centroid is 300 by 2. This all explained thousands of times, whole square. Next, fifth one, I about its own axis here. See this one. 0.00343 diameter power 4 plus area into, see, this distance square. That is 301.175 into 301.175 minus 140. See, we want this distance square is 301.175 minus 140 minus this distance is 2d by 3 pi minus 2 into diameter is 280 divided by 3 pi, that full number to be squared. Lastly, I about yy for this one, sixth one. First, I about its own centroidal axis. Oh, it is not symmetrical. Therefore, 0.006 semicircle 686 into diameter power 4 Ig plus area pi by 8 of 280 square is the area into from centroid to YYC. This distance square. That distance will be, see how to calculate now correctly, last chance for you. That distance will be, see, it is 301.175. 175 will give you from here to here. Subtract 140. Subtract 140. That will give you from here up to here. Plus this distance. Plus 2 into diameter 280 divided by 3 pi. If it is not visible, I will write a black color once again. 301.175 minus 140 plus 2 into 280 divided by 3 pi whole square. Okay. Now, question mark, not question mark, complete the formalities, calculate all the values and get the answer. Now, those who are serious go through all the questions and especially master questions. This is the last master question. In future, I think maybe I have checked some questions. Then I will go for exercises, problem, sketch with centroid located. X bar, Y bar, you have to calculate. Then what I will do is I will use the exercises for centroid. IXX, IYY, sometime I will dictate. Sometime I will write without explaining. But I will not write and explain both. Sometime I will tell, direct answer will be given for you. I will tell you try it. When it is too simple, I will tell you try. But briefly I can tell I about this plus this distance square. On that day depends how much I want to explain. But by this time you should have almost 100% fluency on moment of inertia. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.